What's happening, everybody? I wanted to send you this quick video. I was speaking with a client and he's very frustrated. He's doing about $8 million a year, and about a year ago he had sat down with a business consultant that said, I want you to set a lofty goal. And so he set a lofty goal of $25 million, okay? And he's still sitting around $8 million a year later. He hasn't moved that needle. He hasn't really grown. And so we started looking at this with him, and I explained the law of sequential goals. And why I wanted to make this video for you guys is I think there's a lot of people who are in the same boat, that it's like, hey, you know what? I'm here today. I want to be way up here tomorrow. And a lot of things don't happen because the goal is so big that it doesn't seem attainable. Now, I'm not being a naysayer. I love big, lofty goals. But the law of sequential order, or the domino effect as I like to call it, is really, really important to understand to reach those goals. And what I mean by that is a domino has enough forward momentum. When it's falling over, a domino has enough momentum to push an adjacent domino that's 1.5 times its size over, okay? So that means that it's gonna push it over. If you take a small little domino and you try and knock over a big wall with it, it's not gonna happen, right? So that's what the law of sequential order, or the domino effect, really means. And here's a little video, and you can see in this video that they start out with a very tiny, very small domino, and it can knock over bigger and bigger and bigger ones. So the big domino at the end, the big goal that you have, we need to figure out the sequential order, or the steps in between where you are today to your big goal, in order to knock that over to achieve that goal. So when you're setting your big goals, and I'm all about setting big goals, I love them, but make sure that you work from where you are today just to understand the steps that are needed to attain your big goal. And that's kind of the key component. So set that out, achieve your big goal, but do it by getting your sequential order figured out in between. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you on the next video.